Okay. My screen is shared, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the TestRail empty page will be there. You have to create the project. Once after creating the project, you should go inside the project, and later, milestones and sub milestones will be handled by your Scrum Master. Once after it is done, they will assign the work for you. So what you will do, you will go to the test cases. The folders, test case folders will be created by the leads. Okay. So you will select the respective folder where you have to write the test cases. Later in that folder, what you will do? You will click on the add case.
Okay.
As soon as you click on the add case, test case name text field will be generated. Give the name. Next, later click on the name. Test case template will be displayed. Later, click on edit. Give all the inputs. Okay. Later, save the test case. This is how you will write the test case. Once after writing the test cases, you can review that by exporting it. Once after exporting is done, any review comments are there, you can give it. Later, that review comments will be fixed by the test engineer and it is approved by the test lead. Once it is done, those activities will be done in the Excel format only. Okay.
Okay.
So once after it is done, next will be execution. So when you want to execute the test case, I told you wherever you will write the test case, there is no option for execution. You can't execute the test case. There is different folder. You need to go for the test runs and results. So add test run. Test run add means it is a execution folder. What is this? Execution folder. So what is the execution folder name? Release name underscore build ID. Yes or no? Theoretically, these concepts are done. Okay. So this build consists of what references? SRS 1 to SRS 10.
Okay.
Only these many requirements are there. So which belongs to which release? Release 1, no?
Yeah.
Assume you got a first build. Okay. That first build you got within sprint 1. You can select the sprint also. Second build you got in a sprint 1, you can select the sprint 1. Third build you got in a sprint 2, you can select the sprint 2. Got it? So I am selecting the release directly. Inside the release only all the sprints will come. Later assign to. Here, if it is assigned for me, I will assign. Okay. If it is assigned for Prerna, I will take Prerna name. If it is assigned for Reena name I will take. So if it is assigned for Reena means Prerna is writing the test cases. Audit. Somebody will write the test case, somebody will execute the test case. So test case should be complete document, okay, where I should not find any difficulties.
Okay.
Got it? I should get a proper navigation steps. So only writing test cases is very important.
Okay.
Okay. Later, what is this data set? No need of doing anything over here. Okay.
Okay.
So description, any note you want to give, any update you want to give, you can mention here. Later. So include all the test cases. It means pull all the test cases. Okay. I told you basically there is a test case folder. Okay. Where we have 100 number of test cases.
Okay.
Where in the execution folder only 10 test cases you want to execute. It means here A to Z features test cases are there. Only 10 case cases you need to execute means only A module test cases you have to execute. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Only 10 means you will not get this option. You will click on select the specific test cases.
Okay.
Include all the test cases means it is a regression testing.
Okay.
Okay, full regression testing. If you want to do full regression testing, you need to execute all the test cases.
Okay.
Got it. So specific test case you want to execute. Okay, select that. You need to click on here. Here there will be a link. Okay. You need to select. See, dynamic filter means you can tell sanity testing. Sanity testing means you just fetch some test cases randomly. So that random test cases are passed means then I can tell the quality of the software is good. That is dynamic. Select a specific test case means what test cases you want to execute. So what I'll do, I'll click on change selection. Okay. Here you will get all the folders where you have written the test cases. This is what master test suite.
Okay.
What I'll do, I will select the folder. You will be having many filters here. Based on the filter also you can. Sometimes you want to only select the priority, P1 priority wala test cases. That also you can select. Statuses are there, titles are there, typos are, so many things are there. Okay. Basically we'll select from the folders only. I'm selecting the login folder. I'm not selecting any integration testing, only functional testing. I'm clicking on OK. As soon as I click on OK, how many test cases are there? Only one test case. So one test case selected. Add test run. If you click on add test run button, so this is execution folder. Okay. In the execution folder, one test case is there. Sir, how can we get to know execution folder means? Again, you click here. So see here, execution folder. Got it? So release name underscore build ID. So how many builds we'll get, that many execution folders will be created. Now just click on the link. Once after clicking the link, you will get the test cases which and all you pulled for the execution folder. I have pulled only one test case. I will click on that link. As soon as you click on the link, that test case, whatever you have written, it will display. So, sir, how to run, sir? If you want to run it, here there is something called as add result. Got it?
Yeah.
How to run means you should click on the first how to run. You should create a test, whatever the execution folder, and pull the test cases to the execution folder from the master test suite. Later, open that, select the test case which you want to execute. You can see here, my name is there, I need to execute. Here, Prerna name is there, Prerna will execute. And status will be untested. Initially, it means not tested. So I will click on the link. As soon as I click on the link, the test case page will open. Any test data you want to create by using the application, before starting the timer only you can create. When you click on add result, that time timer will calculate in the backend. Now again, till now there is no timer started. Okay. Any test data, 100 mails should be present in the inbox. It means what I'll do, I'll go to the mail ID and I will create 100 mails I'll send to some person. Later I will go to the inbox. Okay. So once after sending all the mails, I will go to the inbox, 100 mails will be present. Later, I will execute the test case. I will click on the add run button because creating the test data might consume more time, right?
Yeah.
So that time and all, if you're involved in running the test case means, your performance will go down because you are taking 1 hour, 2 hours for executing the simple test case means it does not mean anything.
Correct.
Understood? So what I will do, I'll click on add result. As soon as I click on add result, you will get a add result pop-up. Since it is assigned for you, again you confirm your name. I am executing. Okay. You can give the version. It means build ID. Why build ID means you can execute this test case for particular build 1 also, build 2 also, build 3 also, right? So in which build the test case is failed? You want to get to know, right? Understood or not understood? Build ID, why you have to mention means, so one test case, I have pulled 10 test cases for A module. Okay, it means A execution folder. Next, B execution folder I have created. B means A plus B, no? A feature will also be there, plus B will be there.
Yeah.
So I have to pull this test cases. Along with that, I need to get another 5 for the B. It means 15 test cases, right? So I need to confirm whether this particular test case I am executing for which build. So for the build one, I am executing. Understood?
Yeah.
Later, you need to start the timer. You only yourself, you need to start the timer for executions here. Got it?
Yeah.
So next, see here, actual result. Enter the actual result. You see here? Got it? Understood? So there will be a link for actual result. If you click, the text field will open. So my step one says that open the browser, enter the URL. I need to enter this URL by opening the browser. Got it? So you need to select this, copy, or directly link means you can click directly. URL should always fill here. Okay, top, not in the Google search. URL bar is this one. Okay, you need to enter here, click on enter. So what page is displayed? Welcome page. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So my expected result showing a what? Welcome page should be displayed. So for me, what page is displayed? Welcome page is displayed, no? So can I tell my test case is pass? Yes. The step is pass, right? I will tell passed. If we have one more step, here step number 2 will be there. Again,
Yeah.
execute the step, enter the actual result, later change the status. For each and every step, there is a status. Execute it. All the things are completed. Later, final status, passed. If any one of the test case step is failed, see, failed. Any one of the step is blocked. So blocked. Got it? For completely blocked. See, one step is failed means all the steps are failed. Got it? One
Correct.
step is passed. I mean, one step is passed is not completely test case passed, but one step is blocked or failed. Okay, the complete test case will be failed. So is there any comments? There is no comments. Okay, the test case is passed, so there is no comments. Assume instead of welcome page, you got some other page. That time you should mention here. Got it? Some extra other page is displayed. Got it? You need to give the comment also. Later, you should log into defect tracking tool. Understood? If the test case is failed here, you should log into the defect tracking tool.
Yeah.
Later, you should prepare the defect report. That is different story. Once after defect ID is generated, that ID you should mention here. Got it? Later, you should click on the add result.
Yep.
Understood? Since the test case is not failed, it is showing in a green color. If it is failed, it will show in the red color. If it is blocked, it will show in a black color. Different things will be there. And there will be history also. Who is done this? Tested by me. Got it? If it is your ID, your name will come. If somebody else ID, their name will come. Who changed what? Everything will come. Any defect reports are showing no. Zero defects here. Got it?
Yep.
Understood? So any defects are there that you can see here, but defects will be handled in the defect tracking tool. So once you have executed all the test cases, okay, assume 100 test cases are there, one by one, you executed. Later, you should generate test case execution report. Got it? So how to generate the execution report? Go to reports, go to runs, click on runs. Okay, you will get the details like this. So what I'll do, I will go to the test runs, only the following test runs. There are many filters. Okay, you can select the details, or you can select the activity, who is done, which week, previous week, or yesterday, today. How many days report you want. all the statuses you want or only past you want.
Got
it? So I want all the test cases for today. I can take it. Okay. You can take, there are many filters here.
Yeah.
Only assigned to me I can take. Only assigned to someone you can take. Only priority you can take. So there are multiple filters. You can add any of the filter. Got it?
Yeah.
In the company, they will tell, get the reports, how many you are executed. How many you are executed means what you need to do. You need to go here, assign to, your name will be there, select that name, click on OK. Got it? Your name, how many test cases you are executed, all the list will come. So notify by mail ID. This will be if your mail ID is linked, no? If I get a valid version of the software, I will be getting access to add the mail IDs here only. So they will directly get the mail IDs. Like they will get the mail only. The report they will get in their mail ID. Like a test lead or development lead, anybody I want to mention, I can mention here. Got it? So later click on add report. Once you are clicking on the add report, please configure the filter. What filter? I'm not selected. Okay. So let me select active today, all test cases, not only past, all. Why it is not selecting? Okay, myself only I want. Okay, please configure a filter for the test runs. Okay, I'm not selected the execution folder only. So test case execution report will be generated based on what things? Okay, either you can get the report based on the release wise, or you can get the here. Release wise also you can get, or execution folder wise you can get, or who created by which scrum master, there will be a master's names, created on what date. There are many filters. Okay, you can get the data however you want. I'm just selecting based on the release. My first release, how many test cases are there? Let me select that. Okay, automatically how many are there? Only one release which is coming under the milestone one. If you have many execution folders, you will get all those things. Once after that, you just click on the add report. As soon as you click on the add report, the report should be generated. Please configure the filter. Hey, boss, just now only have selected. No, only the following. Okay, 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 okay. So the report is generating. So once the report is generated, we will get to know how many test cases are passed, failed, pass percentage, fail percentage, everything will be generated, and you can see the report like some pictorial representation like this. You will get the details completely. You know, the percentage lines will come, no, 10%, 1%, like that. So based on that, you will get it. This is TestRail. Similarly, your other tools will be there.
Yeah.
The look and feel of the tools might be different. The look and feel of the reports might be different, but the whatever the wordings are used or whatever the steps will be used will remain same. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is complete TestRail or test case management tool. Completely we are handling the test cases over here. Got it?